How can I view my iCloud emails on my iPhone?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be learning about an important topic: how to view your iCloud emails on your iPhone. This is a very simple process, and we're going to guide you through it step by step.
Do you have an iCloud email account?
Before we start, it's important to make sure you have an iCloud email account. This is an email address that ends with @iCloud.com, which you would have created when you set up your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it through the Apple ID website.
Is your iPhone updated?
Next, check if your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, install it.
Adding your iCloud account to your iPhone.
Now that you have your iCloud email account and your iPhone is updated, let's add your account to the iPhone. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap Mail. 3. Tap on Accounts. 4. Tap on Add Account. 5. On the next screen, select iCloud from the list of email providers. 6. Enter your iCloud email address and password, then tap Next. 7. Make sure that the Mail toggle is turned on to view your emails. After completing these steps, your iCloud email account should now be added to your iPhone's Mail app.
Accessing your iCloud emails.
Now that you have added your iCloud account, you can easily access your iCloud emails. 1. Open the Mail app on your iPhone. 2. If you have multiple email accounts, tap on the Mailboxes back button in the top left corner. 3. Tap on the iCloud mailbox to view your iCloud emails. And that's it. You're now able to view your iCloud emails directly on your iPhone. We hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to view your iCloud emails on your iPhone. It's a simple process, but essential for staying connected on the go. Remember, you can always return to these instructions if you need help in the future. Happy emailing!